She's a freak of the week. Everybody, see, she's a freak.
Hey guys, what's up? Hunter here, and this is our swimming banquet for the season. Look at these guys. You haven't seen these guys in ages.
I won.
So you'll see clips from that. Sorry I didn't upload Monday. It's just, yeah, you guys.
Guys, do it for the vlog.
Oh no, you can't. He did what at the swimming banquet? All right, well, I will be recording some clips from this, and yeah, so enjoy. Currently eating.
Whoa, not all of us.
This is a family vlog.
Wait, put it close to my face. I need to swear.
Pussy, bitch, vagina, dick, ear, like, pussy.
Daddy.
Now everybody chant daddy for the third time. Daddy, 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 daddy. Okay. All right, well that is it for today's vlog. We have one last announcement, and we're gonna let Gerald kind of show you right here.
I can't.
These are the new merchandise that I will most likely be selling. It says I did it for the vlog, and I got the captains their own shirts just to show them how much I appreciate
It has
them.
my name on the back.
It has his name
Oh,
on
I
the
can't
back.
see my last name. I wouldn't want you to know that.
No, you don't want them stalking
There'll
you.
be all the fangirls.
All the fangirls from the Netherlands.
From Thailand.
Thailand. Yep.
This is Peyton. She wants to get on the screen.
This is Peyton. She's in the vlog now. But hey guys, what's up? Okay, so we are out here taking some pictures for the new merchandise that will be sold. Rayson's our photographer. He's gonna do a great job, and it's actually gonna be up on a website where you can order the shirts and stuff and use PayPal to pay for it and all that fun stuff, hopefully here in a few weeks. But yeah, so that's what we're working on now, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Oh, yes, no, do it. Do it the other way.
Bro.
Wait.
This is what happens on the vlog.
Yeah, I got
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah, wait, what part?
Him putting something.
No, I missed it.
You guys are awesome.
You're awesome.
Okay, he goes on the hole. Who's that guy?
I don't know. Who was he? What's Taylor doing?
He was taking a picture of a lady. You should have. No, not with the camera. We don't
Like,
So much is happening.
Somebody missed it.
Hey, nice shirt.
What happened?
Hey, nice shirt.
Hey, thank you.
What happened? Hey,
Take your clothes off.
hey, nice shirt.
What happened?
Hey, nice shirt.
Wait, I was just like, what?
No, I know a good one. You wrap your leg around and you just like.
well, you have to bend back. Like, bend backwards.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
What are we doing?
Proposing to Hannah Bailey.
Hannah Bailey.
Hannah Bailey. Hannah Bailey. Hannah Bailey. Hannah Bailey.
Hi.
What's up? You in the vlog. Just hear me out.
Hey, Hannah. Hey, Hannah.
Oh, yes. That is so good. That is the best. That's so cute. Oh my god. Can we take a picture?
No, you can take a vlog.
That's adorable. How did that happen?
Wow.
Wow.
That's
Professional
good.
photographer.
Hey, Kat gave me one of those.
Okay, I took it from Hannah.
Oh. Anyways.
Very nice. I'm going to prom.
How's it going? How do you feel, Brad?
Good.
Jason took the video
Good.
of us together.
See you guys later. I did. What? Make sure you're safe. Oh, 45. It's not gonna go. I'm out of ammo, bro. Oh. You say.
Bang, bang, bang.
Borderlands?
You know what type of gun that is?
I don't remember.
Brap.
Gerald! I'm taking the vlog! She's coming with me! Crazy reckless stuff! Gerald, could you record this?
Okay.
Yeah, would you record this? Come here. Okay.
By any chance, do anything else?
It's really pretty.
Gerald!
Oh, sorry.
Hey, give me that sick NAR stick.
Here we go!
Give me that NAR stick. I need that NAR stick.
Hey, you know when you threw water at me? The clean water. It's like,
Be on the good side! Oh, no. Come on! Alright, well that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to leave comments down below. Gerald, do you have anything to say to the vlog?
Never shoot dry.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what dee da dee da dee da. Do what do da dee da do da dee da. Do what do da dee da do da da. Murder that dance floor, dance floor. Murder that.
Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go inside and take a pee. Maybe a poop. Saucy. I'm taking a poop. Yep.
Are you saving that dessert for me? Cause if you are, baby, you know you